Okay, hi. So today we're gonna make Chettinad Chicken Curry. So first of all, we need to prepare the spice roast. So here is the spice roast. So the spice roast here you need to roast on low fire until it's fragrant. 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of poppy seed, 2 tablespoons of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 8 green cardamoms, 6 cloves, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick which is 1 to 2 inches long, 2 star anise and 10 dried red chilies. Okay, so for here we have the ginger garlic paste. So to make this ginger garlic paste, you'll need about 2 inches of ginger and 10 cloves of garlic. And here we have the scraped coconut which is being dry roasted and blended into powder form. And here we have 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Here we have 2 sprigs of curry leaves, and this lemon here will need to squeeze out about 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And here are some corianders for garnishing, and this is about 1.5 kilograms of chicken. And the last one is 2 large onions which is finely chopped. Okay, so now we need to heat up about 4 tablespoons of oil. We need to insert our chopped onions to stir fry until they are softened. And here we have our curry leaves. Give them a good stir. So this would take about 1 to 2 minutes time until the onions are slightly softened. Alright, so now that the onions are slightly softened, we can insert our ginger garlic paste. So this we need to stir fry until the raw smell is totally gone. So it will take about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, so now that the raw smell is gone, we can insert our chettinad masala powder. So just give it a good stir. And make sure you lower down the fire or the heat to avoid burning the masala powder. Okay, so to this masala paste, we add in our red chili powder and our turmeric powder, and we add in a cup of water. Give it a good stir, and then we can leave it to simmer with the lid cover for about 5 minutes with a very low heat. Okay, so now we just put on the lid and let it simmer on low heat. Okay, so 5 minutes have passed, so let us check the paste. Okay, so now the paste has been mixed well together. So the next thing to add into this chettinad masala paste is powdered coconut. So after inserting the coconut powder, we have to give it a good stir. Now we have to insert our chicken. So remember not to overcook our chicken. So by doing this, we have to stir the chicken well so that it's well mixed with the masala paste, and we have to cook it on a very low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes together with the chicken with the lid on. Okay, seems like it's well mixed. So now we just have to put the lid on and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so now at the 15th minute of cooking this chicken, we need to add in our salt. So here's about 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of water, and as usual, give it a good stir. So you can see how thick the gravy is. So if you want to maintain this thickness of gravy, you can just cook it on slow heat and the lid cover for the following 15 minutes until the chicken is cooked. Okay, so 15 minutes have passed, and now we insert our lemon juice. Turn the stove off and give it a good stir.